Ka-chow.
Zoom in on over here. So ideally you want to take this fender liner off. We had to take out the 2 push buttons that were down here. And that push button, it's definitely going to break. This is what's left of it. And actually, let me show you the back side. Can you see this? So it's got these prongs that stick backwards. So you're supposed to pull it out this way, but it's not going to work out that way. It's probably going to break. So we have replacements. Okay. Then we're going to take out the 2 10s that live up here, and those are these guys. So these are 10 millimeters. Okay. They lived up here, and then we're just going to fold this back far enough for us to be able to reach our battery box. Can you see all the way in there? This is our battery box. Perfect. Okay, so there's 3 10s. There's this one, and that one, and they're all in there very loose, like 5 to 7 foot-pounds. So let's just see this here. So that can you see over my head? Because this is all going to come down at the same time.
Okay.
And I need my second hand to be able to grab it because the battery is living in the battery tray.
You can
so it's kind of heavy
and whatnot.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
I'm glad you didn't drive it for very long to put it in the driveway because this is your exhaust right here.
Mm-hmm.
So that would be really hot.
Oh yeah, no.
Okay.
Oh.
Here we go. So let's pull this off the bottom of the battery. Yum. Our negative and our positive, okay? We're gonna take those guys off. Kind of remember the orientation because the other one has to go back in this way, and those are on there very light. Did you see that? I didn't really have to work hard at all.
No. Is that good?
There it is. Did you see how I got that up and off?
No, but I can always go.
Okay, so this basically was kind of stuck, so I just pried up on the edge of it.
Perfect.
And see how it's all black? That's the ground. And then we're moving to the positive. Now you never, ever, ever want to touch anything metal between these 2 posts.
Okay. Okay. Will I blow myself up?
There's sulfuric acid
Serious
in
question.
there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Battery. Okay. Myself.
So nothing metal.
Okay.
This is a very, very gentle technique here because if this touches across there, you're going to see some sparks.
Shoot. Okay.
Okay. So just be very careful. Come on, mister, you've lived in your happy place forever. Can you just give me the damn cable? There it is. Wiggle up, we wiggle down, we wiggle sideways. There it is. Okay. Cool.
Popped.
Let's go put that one back in.
Okay.
Okay, so this is an E6, which is an E-Torx. And we're just going to transfer this directly over, just like that. Kind of a straightforward process. Again, nothing metal between here and here, okay? So I realize like I'm dealing with a metal tool that could reach from side to side, so you want to be very, very cautious. And we'll just kind of tighten those down so get them started so that we don't cross-thread anything. And then I'm just gonna snug it. Now I'm moving that out of the way because I have metal even on my coveralls and I don't want the metal to touch. So just be very cautious around batteries. Safety glasses are a good idea. Your glasses count. Wow, that seems really far. I wonder if we don't have to screw them all the way in. That seems like very few threads for that to live on. I don't like that. that just a tiny bit taller. Yeah, I think that's better. It's still in there. In the battery tray first or second, I think I'm gonna put it in second because I wanna have enough room to like maneuver, and it does kind of dangle off those things, which isn't great, but we're gonna be quick, okay? So let me make sure I have my 10 ready. Yep. Okay. Now, you know how heavy this thing is, right?
Yes.
We bought them, so you're just gonna kind of join the circus and juggle. Stay the same here. Okay. Once that's on, you want to make sure you start a couple threads by hand because you don't want to cross thread anything. And then that was on there very, very light, so we're going to tighten it down just a little. Okay. What the heck? Okay. So we're gonna start this really high up because every time you turn it to the right, it's actually spinning this down in. So you wanna have enough teeth for it to bite on. Otherwise the nut just comes right off. There we go, beautiful. That looks very happy. Okay, so our battery tray, remember the 2 on the right, 1 on the left, okay? So we're just going to put that back in there. And then pick one, whichever one's your favorite, and start it because this is actually pretty heavy to hold at the same time. So I really like my body position, sitting sort of under the car like this. Just get them started so that they'll hold themselves up. And I like to get all of our bolts started before tightening everybody up because you always want to make sure that nothing's like wonky. They all need to have sort of equal tension on them. So you just want to start all 3 before you start tightening everybody up. And then this is plastic. So these are not tight at all because you don't want to crack the plastic. Like that. Can you see how I'm like putting like almost no tension on that at all?
Yep.
Okay, that's happy. So we'll button this back up.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.